Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to ban someone on TikTok. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to update your application and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So let's say that if you don't like some content and it is against the community guidelines or some kind of sensitive content, what you can do is you can simply hide that content or you can simply remove that content from your For You page. So in order to do that, what you have to do is open up your TikTok application. So after you open up your TikTok application, you can even use the search tool in order to find the content creator or the admin or the account that you actually want to ban. So what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the search icon in the top right corner of your screen, and after that you'll have to type in the username. So let's say that the content is on your For You page. So for example, I'll go with this particular video. So what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the share icon in the bottom right corner. So after you tap on the share icon, there is a drop down menu. So you can see in the bottom left corner there is an option called report. Simply tap on it. So here you have a multiple option. So you'll have to select a reason for reporting this particular account. So you'll have to select on any one of these following options and make sure to select the valid one. So after that, once again you'll have to select another reason. So once again do the same thing, that is make sure to select a valid reason. So after that you have a statement, so make sure to go through it, and after you're done with the statement, just tap on the submit button which is right at the bottom. Now you can see that the report has been submitted. So after that you can see that the content has been removed. So after you're done submitting a report, after that make sure to share the video or the content with lots of friends and ask them to report the content. If majority of them reports the content, then the account will be banned, and after that you'll not be able to see the content on TikTok. So that is how you can ban someone on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.